No code versus low code, understanding the basics.
No-code and low-code platforms help users create applications without deep programming skills. No-code tools offer simple, drag-and-drop interfaces, while low-code platforms allow visual development and some coding. Both can boost productivity, but their usability and flexibility differ. Understanding these differences can help beginners decide which approach best matches their needs and technical comfort.
What is no code?
No-code platforms are designed for users with little or no technical background. You can build websites, mobile apps, or automate tasks by dragging and dropping elements visually without writing any code. Popular examples include Wix, Squarespace, and Airtable. No-code tools focus on ease of use and rapid development for straightforward projects, making them ideal for beginners and small businesses.
What is low code?
Low-code platforms combine visual development with the option to add simple code or logic. They are user-friendly but allow for greater customization and complexity than no-code solutions. Examples include Microsoft Power Apps and Mendix. Low-code is suitable for users who are comfortable learning basic coding concepts and want more flexibility as their projects grow.
Key differences: no code versus low code.
No-code is best for quick, simple projects and offers the most streamlined experience. Low-code provides more control and customization but has a slight learning curve. Choose no-code for straightforward tasks like building personal websites or forms. Opt for low-code if you need to integrate with other systems, automate processes, or expect your project to become more complex over time.
How to choose the best tool for you.
Consider your goals, technical comfort, and project complexity. If ease of use and speed matter most, no-code may be right for you. If you want extra flexibility and are willing to learn basic coding concepts, try a low-code platform. Experimenting with both can help you find the best fit, empowering you to unlock new productivity as a beginner.